Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to find auto screen off, and let's tap, and as you can see right here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and as you can see the 30 seconds option is currently applied, and also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to change the screen off option, just tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO A94 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.